everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now.
Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Indian Heritage Art series, we are going to experience stage art of Jharkhand, the Sohrai art from Jharkhand, India. So stay with us till the end to know about this beautiful Sohrai art from our very own Jharkhand. I am so much mesmerized by tribal arts, They are so special yet so simple and conveys so many messages of society, daily life and others. You take any tribal art or folk art from India, each of them are so special in their own ways. Each of them will tell you a story behind, and so is Sohrai, of course. Sohrai paintings are age-old tribal traditional paintings based on nature themes like forest, people and animals, etc. Here also in my painting you can see people, animals, plants, etc. Sohrai paintings are done by Adivasi, that means tribal women, using natural ingredients like any other tribal or folk art of India, such as different shades of clay and charcoal. Earlier, tribal women used miswak, that means datuns, to paint the walls of their houses with these traditional art. So if we talk about original Sohrai paintings, this is an indigenous art form practiced by the women in Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand. Ritualistic art is done on mud walls to welcome the harvest and to celebrate the cattle. This art has continued since 10,000 to 4,000 BCE. This art form was prevalent mostly in caves, but now has been primarily shifted to houses with mud walls. It doesn't matter whether the canvas is mud or a glass or a computer screen or a paper. In the end, art is greater than the pen and ink it is written with. Talking about the history where it actually came from, according to the Santhal tradition, so Santhal is another tribe from Jharkhand. According to Santhal tradition, Marang Guru, that means god of the mountains, and Jahir Ayo, goddess of the forest, and the elder sister of the Santhals would descend on earth from heaven to pay a visit to their brothers and to commemorate this event. The harvest festival is celebrated at this time and women decorate their walls with murals of Sohrai arts this time. These paintings are believed to bring good luck. It is from here that this art originated, adding to the culture and traditions of India. Now let's know something about the beauties and discoveries of Sohrai. Sparrows, peacocks, squirrels, cows, these things inhabit the world of Sohrai and Khovar paintings. Popular in Hazaribagh region of Jharkhand, the folk art draws heavily from the forest life. The clean lines reflect a nativity that come alive on canvases that were exhibited at India International Centre, New Delhi. Khovar refers to the decoration of the marriage chambers, and Sohrai is the harvest painting on the mud houses. So that is the difference between Khovar and Sohrai. repairing it after the rains, and offering a thanksgiving to the forces of nature. The region has about 11 communities including Orao, Munda, Santhal, Prajapati and Khurmi. When the painted villages were discovered, it was a challenge to get these paintings onto a canvas so that they could be exhibited. Getting visitors to tell the story, they involved Tribal Women's Artists Cooperative, TWAC, founded in 1995. Sohrai art is now known as the state art of Jharkhand. Railway stations in the towns like Hazaribagh and Jamshedpur now greet travelers with Khovar and Sohrai murals that only adorned village homes until recently. My dear friends, enrich us with your thoughts, feedbacks or any suggestions if you have about our drawing sessions, and you can write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about the different art forms of different places and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. We wish you a week full of positive vibes. Stay safe at home and take care of yourself and family. Bye bye.